Happy blissful day, Master Manifestors, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Gabriel.
And my name is Kylie.
And in today's video, we want to share a powerful technique called revision. And we want to share how we use revision to triple our business success. And so the cool thing about revision is I love the playful aspect of revision. So what is revision? Revision is a technique that you can use to change the past or the present, right? And as you know that the past is an illusion because it's simply a memory, right? And if I had to ask you now to go back to yesterday, and in order for you to recall yesterday, you have to play that memory in your mind, and the only way you can actually experience that is right now. So now is the only moment that exists. Right now is where the party is happening, and right now is in our imagination, which is so awesome. So we want to share the technique revision that we use just playfully in our business and in our personal lives, and sometimes with clients as well. And so we just wanted to share it with you guys that you can also play with it. Remember, you are God of your reality, so you get to play and dance however you want. And it's very important to remember that you get to dance according to your drum. You make the rules. You don't follow rules, you make the rules, which is so awesome because you are the God of your reality, isn't it?
Yeah, and I love revision because really to me it makes so much sense. I mean, there's been so many times where, there might be something Gabriel and I experienced together, but then when we're remembering it, we remember it slightly differently. And that's just how it works because it only exists in the past, in a memory. And so if two people can remember it differently, then surely we can manipulate the past. And that's how revision works. You essentially take something that happened in the past, good or bad, and you make it better because you're just remembering it differently than how maybe your current memory of it stands. And that's how it works, usually for us. If something happens in our business, good or bad, we use revision to remember it differently. Because as Gabriel said, the only moment that exists is right now. This is the only moment that exists. In order to, as Gabriel said, you have to recall a memory, bring it into the present moment, and then you can experience it again. So the past doesn't exist, the future does not exist. It's all just simply in the present moment in your mind.
Yes. Time is just a construct of the mind. So now, how do we do it? Let us share how do we use revision to triple our business success. So if you do not have a business, all you need to do, I want you to have a look at your business, your personal bank account now. And all you do is just add a zero there. You just add a zero and you express your gratitude that it is so, right? For those that do not have businesses. But if you do have a business, so you obviously getting orders, daily. So I'll share with us. When we wake up, we usually have new clients that bought our book or our courses or coaching. So what we do is we multiply that by 3. We just see that, someone just bought our courses. Okay, cool. Isn't it wonderful that 3 more people bought it? Or 3 more people, applied for coaching, or just 3. So, you can times it by any number you want. We just doing it by 3 because it's more fun that way. And let me tell you, what it does, it maximize, growth, because the next thing you know, boom, then there's all of a sudden this influx of new orders and clients. But now, why is this so important? Because consciousness is the only reality. What is consciousness? It's your imagination, which is awareness. So if you see it right now, how you want to see it, it means that it is done. So if you only have 1 client and you see in your imagination that you have 3 clients, That's the only thing that matters. You just have to accept that it is done. You cannot contradict it. So if you say, oh yeah, I've got 3 clients, and then later on you can't contradict it and say, no, I just have 1 client. Remember, your imagination is the real world. Whatever you see and accept in your imagination is a done deal. So if you accept right now that you have XYZ in your imagination, it is done. And now you just have to remind yourself that it is so. So that's what we do. We see, oh, we've got like 5 clients that booked today. We just times that by 3. Oh, isn't it wonderful that we got 15, clients that booked today? I know it is a bit busy, but it's so cool the fact that we can remind our clients how powerful they are, and also remind them that it is a done deal. Now they can actually now just enjoy their 3D, start laughing again, start smiling again, just chill and do whatever they enjoy. Because why? It is done. It is done. The 4D is the real world. The 3D is just a mirror.
Yeah, and I just want to re-emphasize what you were saying there. I lost my train of thought, but that's okay. But it's just that whole concept, like we said, it's great to have, 3 clients a day. That's great. It's not only using revision for things that are unpleasant, which I think that's where a lot of people kind of get stuck in. They're like, oh, I didn't get this deal, so now I have to revise it that I got it. Which, yes, of course, you can definitely do that, because again, your imagination's going to create that reality. But you see, you can also use revision to make the good even better. And that's how we've experienced a lot of growth in our business, has just been from that idea of, okay, 3 people bought the book today, so whatever, 3 times 3, 9 people bought the book today.
Yeah.
And next thing you know, we start to see an influx of new clients buying the book, or buying courses, or signing up for coaching, or booking discovery calls, because we're able to just kind of remind ourselves that no, that's not actually what happened. This is what happened. And who's to say any different? It only exists in our memories. It only exists in our minds. So who's to say that no, that's not actually what happened? And I think what I was going to say before I lost my train of thought is just that idea of, I lost it again.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. You're having a beautiful human experience that gets better all the time.
Every time.
Indeed.
I think it was something. Oh man, I just had it again.
It's fine. It's fine. I intend that it comes.
Committing to it.
Okay.
Committing to the idea. Oh my goodness. Just to be able to commit to it. Like we said, not to say yes, I got 5 clients today, and then tomorrow, like later on, you're like, oh, but really, I only got 2 clients. Well, that's fine. And then later on, you're like, no, but I have 5 clients. And then, you're kind of like wavering back and forth. It's to commit to what you know, to commit to that new memory of sorts, commit to that revised memory, that revised instant. And it's that commitment and acceptance of that new replacement memory almost. And that's what you'll start to see play out.
Indeed.
If you waver,
so
you'll
powerful.
see.
Indeed.
Yeah, like if you waver, then you'll see up and down in your business, and it won't be consistent.
Exactly, indeed. Thank you, my love.
Finally.
No, that was powerful. That was powerful, because I love that you call it a memory, right? Because the moment you revise anything, know it's a memory. Why is it a memory? Because it already happened. But this is how it happened. Whatever you said is what it happened. Why? It's because you're the God of your reality. Why? Because whatever you say goes. And it's not what you see that matters, it's how you see it. It's not what you hear that matters, it's how you hear it. So you can tell me now that, oh, Gabriel, you XYZ. I can hear from you that you said, oh, you're so amazing, you're so loving, and blah, blah, blah. I can hear all the good things. Irrespective of what you said in the 3D. I can also see all the good news on my email and my phone, irrespective of what the 3D tells me. Why? Is because consciousness is the only reality. Whatever I see, whatever I hear matters. That's it. And that is so, 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 so powerful.
Yeah, I love it because, like we said, you could hear something maybe a bit unpleasant, and you can either let yourself get very down about it, discouraged. Maybe a deal doesn't go through, and now you're like, "Aish, man," you just get very discouraged by it. Or you can take a moment and say, okay, actually, they went for the deal, and everything is sorted, and they've actually recommended me to 3 of their friends who are also now my clients too. I'm so grateful.
I love it.
Or maybe you do get someone who's like, wow, I'm so grateful for you. Thank you so much. And you say, you know what? They told me that I'm the best coach ever. You make it even better. It might be dramatic or whatever, but you can make it however you want to make it. Make the bad good and make the good things even better.
Indeed. So you want to have fun with it. Like usually when we go to bed, we express our gratitude for the amazing day, even though in the 3D it wasn't amazing, but we like, no, it was amazing, it was blissful, it was the best day ever. And then the following day, boom, we just experience wows, awes, bliss, and it's so beautiful because you are the god of your reality. You get to play and dance however you want because that beat goes according to your rules. Whatever you say, whatever you hear goes, which is so awesome. Absolutely awesome. And I also wanted to share one more thing, but I think we will leave that to the this is what I wanted to share. What my beautiful wife just shared. When you have maybe a client and you think that the deal is about to go sour, I want to share experience. This happened like a month ago, baby, with a 50K deal. So I was busy with the 50K deal, and the deal just went south, and I actually freaked out. I was like, oh snap. I was like, oh man, it doesn't look good. And then you reminded me that, hey, remember that you're the god of your reality. And I remembered, I said, oh no, everything is perfectly fine. And then what I did, I saw the 50K already in my account. That's what I did. And then within about, say, a week, a week, boom, got email, everything, proof of payment, that everything has been sorted. So that is the power of revision. Yes, you may freak out when something goes wrong. We're all human, right? We're having a human experience. That's a good thing about having a human experience, because you're like, sometimes you'll experience downs, sometimes you'll experience ups, but it's obviously what you see and what you hear as well. You can also change that. But the beauty of the thing is, I just said no. The deal went perfectly fine. As a matter of fact, the money is already in my account. And I remain faithful to that new memory. And within a week, boom, it miraculously just solved itself like that. Miraculously.
Yeah, and I think there's also been times where, maybe a deal, it doesn't go through, and then it's like, oh no, we revise it. But it's not that deal necessarily. It's like all of a sudden, out of the blue, another deal for the same amount comes up, and it's easy, and it just gets sorted.
And smooth.
And so that's where it's like, wow, like it really is such a powerful tool, and it's something that we wanted to share for you to have fun with also. We can't be having all the fun.
Exactly. We just wanted to share fun with you guys as well. If you've experienced revision in your life, in your business, do let us know. And let us know your thoughts. We love interacting with you guys. And as always, keep smiling, enjoy your blissful day. And if you're interested in one-on-one coaching or our ebook or our courses, whatever that will take you to the next level, you can find all the details in description. And as always, keep smiling, enjoy your blissful day, have a lovely day, and revise. You can revise for the good to be better, phenomenal, and better and better and better. You don't just want to use revision to solve problems, but use revision to make the good better and phenomenal. Right?
Yep.
And having said that, keep smiling. I know I said it again, but keep smiling. Enjoy your blissful day. And thank you.